What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the high quality iPhone 14 Pro renders created from precise drawings. It is clearly seen that the banks, in which the front camera and Face ID sensors are located, have been replaced by two cutouts. We recently published fresh renderings of the iPhone 14 Pro smartphone, and now the Pig 2 resource, together with the LIKE 7 Insider, has presented high-quality images of the smartphone in gold color. As you can see in the video, the iPhone 14 Pro screen has thin symmetrical frames and two small cutouts instead of the annoying bangs. The rear camera module received three lenses, a flash and a LiDAR sensor. The layout of the elements on the edges remained unchanged. On the left, the volume buttons, the silent mode switch, and the SIM card tray. On the right, the power button. On the bottom, the charging connector and speaker holes. Sources confirm that Apple plans to introduce 4 new iPhone 14 models this September: 6.1 inches iPhone 14, 6.7 inches iPhone 14 Max, 6.1 inches iPhone 14 Pro, and 6.7 inches iPhone 14 Pro Max. The source published high-quality images of the 6.1 inches iPhone 14 Pro, which were created on the basis of drawings leaked the network. It is clearly seen that the banks, in which the front camera and Face ID sensors are located, have been replaced by two cutouts. According to the leaks, the oval cutout will be for the selfie camera and infrared camera, while the round cutout will be for the dot projector. The last two modules are needed for the Face ID user recognition system. According to one version, the smartphone will receive a new 48-megapixel sensor that will replace the main 12-megapixel camera and will allow you to record an 8K video recording. There are also speculations that Apple will keep 12-megapixel image sensor. The iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max should be equipped with a new Apple A16 Bionic SoC and possibly more RAM than any other iPhone. According to the latest news, the new iPhone 14 line should be officially presented in September this year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.